Amy and her dad are on a walk. They've seen a small cat. Welcome. Let's read, little cat. The special word in this story is the sight word, little. Little. Remember this word. Okay, let's read. I see a little cat. I see a little cat. The little cat is alone. The little cat is alone. I look and see a dog. I look and see a dog. I look and see a big cat. I look and see a big cat. Go to Mum Cat, little cat, I say. Go to Mum Cat, little cat, I say. Little cat runs to Mum Cat. Little cat runs to Mum Cat. Little cat is happy. Little cat is happy. Now it's your turn to read. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and try to read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Well done trying to read. Now, let's answer some questions from the story we read. Try reading the sentences to answer the questions. And remember, the sight word in green. Little. Can you read this page? It says, I see a little cat. Can you also read this page? It says, the little cat is alone. Read. How does little cat feel? Happy. It says, little cat is happy. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special sight word in this story. Little. Okay. Let's play some games. And practice spotting the word little. First, can you find the word little? Which is the word little? Little. Again, find the word little. Here it is. Little. Last one. What letter does the word little start with? Little. It's L. Little. Thanks for reading with me. Let's read again soon. Subscribe to practice more reading.